Welcome back to Brad Frapp Garage, and we've got a nice cool fall evening. They are having some car cruises in Guthrie after the I think it's 89ers Day show. So we, including Mr. Tucker, are gonna get the car out and we're going to town. We'll see you guys there. Is your hair fixed yet?
I know, right? Not yet, almost.
Ready, Tucker?
You'll have it on the
Tucker.
He's coming up.
All right, we made it to Sonic, and there's quite a crew. Let's check some of it out. What up? And Rat Rod?
Yep.
Sweet. Let's see who all is here. I haven't seen that before.
Nice car.
Yeah.
There's some really nice cars.
Yep.
Did you get that on video? Child falling. How are you dancing?
You can't be telling the truth.
I don't tell the truth about anything.
I can tell.
I know. There's two things that I don't do, and I don't know what that is really. But I do lie. As a matter of fact, I lie so much I don't even know the truth anymore.
I believe you.
Yeah. See, you believe me.
I believe you. I've seen it in action.
It's scary, isn't it?
Yeah. I've seen it in action.
Oh, and I run sevens too.
Yeah, you're lying again. It's a Mopar.
His dreams.
Yeah. Let's go. Uh-oh, trouble. What's up?
How much were you up to?
Come see what's going on.
A little bit of cruising
A
around.
little bit of cruising around. This one rumbled in coming into town.
Yeah, it sounded good. One of my weaknesses is 70 Chevelle.
What do you think, Tucker? Trying to figure out Woody the Woodpecker? You like Woody the Woodpecker? Yeah. Watch out for cars. Chevrolets. Here is Brian's Rat Rod.
Is that a GoPro? I had a
Hey Tucker, this is about the same model as your car. It's just a couple years older than yours. Hey, come here. Let's go show you. Let's go down here on the end. There is a Dart down here that is about the same model as yours. That's great.
You gonna fall on your face again?
We're gonna go look at this car. Come here, Mama. This is kind of the same year as Tucker's. See this? This is a this is a Dart. This is a 67 or 8. But this is almost the same model as your car.
Almost. Cool, huh? Excited.
You like this? It just needs to be blue. Huh? Pretty much needs to be blue.
Yeah, but we need to air up my tires.
Air up your tires. We've got some work to do on yours.
Yeah.
Bert, what's going on? Poncho. This is your favorite, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Sabrina wants to know why you have to rev your car up to keep it running at stoplights.
It just does that,
Yeah.
okay? It just does that. And sometimes it does it a lot more than it should. At the most unopportune time, you know?
She goes, does it need a tune-up or something?
My mom goes, what the hell's wrong with it?
It just doesn't want to idle.
I pulled in, my mom goes, what the hell's wrong with your car, man? Flooding out?
I just turned the rich knob up a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, we're pretty rich now.
Yeah. Sure is noisy. What? What? Noisy. Okay guys, we are about back to the house. Not a fun little trip. Not a whole lot going on, but anytime we run into town, do a little bit of cruising with the family and all that kind of stuff, it's fun. So, but I do have one thing I've always wanted, and I finally got my garage door opener working. Perfect. Pull into my dirty shop that needs to be cleaned.
You got too warm and that's why I fell asleep.
Best garage door opener ever.
Hi.
Well, we made it back to the shop. Time to go in and eat some chicken and get the boys to bed. I've got one in the car that I'm gonna have to wake up though. Tucker. Hey buddy. Tucker. Tucker. You are out. Alright guys, at least one of us survived the trip home, and this one didn't. I can't get him awake, so we're gonna have to carry him in, I guess. So it wasn't a big super trip, but it's just a fun trip to town. A bunch of the local cruisers and stuff like that going on from the car show, so we'll finish it up here. So like and subscribe, and we'll keep it coming to you guys. Thanks.